Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So, for a long time, security flaws were discovered by security teams. So, it was basically people that have a lot of knowledge, have good tools, and that go through the code of Windows, of web browsers like Google Chrome, and all the operating systems. Well, that was one way of finding flaws. And what happened is the AI revolution, uh, although it can be used for bad, can also be used for good. And in this case, we've seen it today with Windows updates that actually the updates for all products and services jumped this month to the highest number we've ever seen, 570. We've never seen that. The biggest we've had were 100, 150, and that didn't happen every month. But now with the AI checks, that number is now skyrocketing. Microsoft had warned that this would happen, and Google Chrome in the last several months saw an increase in flaws, and including one when it actually updated to its new version with more than 400 flaws. So this is pretty crazy when you think about it. And this all has to do with AI. A lot of people are saying, so is this going to be the new norm? The new normal is going to be this. We're going to have much bigger patch Tuesdays. We'll have much bigger updates most of the time on software. This all comes because AI is good at finding the bad code that needs to be fixed for security reasons. So this also is important because in many ways, that is why that is the best way to stay safe, because AI can also be used by the bad guys to do the same thing. So hackers out there can use AI tools to find flaws and exploit them, and that could be a danger. So you got to use the same tools. You got to use tools that are powerful in order to keep up with all the security flaws and the hackers trying to get into your systems or trying to get, any information. It's pretty crazy out there. So this is going to be the new norm. Definitely, some people saying that it took an awful lot of time. Technically, mine and several people on the comments mentioned that they didn't see a difference in time from this update. I didn't either. But you know what? I guess maybe the age of your PC, and if you're still using an old magnetic hard drive, that could be more of a problem. And maybe you see a difference in the updates being longer to install. Because definitely there are more changes to be done within Windows and the software that you use if there are more security flaws. So this is the new norm. We've got to get used to it. It's the future ahead in security updates. So it will be increasingly interesting to see every month how many updates, how many security flaws are discovered. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.